I'm Chelsea and I'm going to show you how to create a dowel feature wall. You'll need some 12mm structural plywood and Tasmanian oak half round dowel, some liquid nails, wood filler, hammer and nails, varnish and a paintbrush, and a fine sandpaper. And don't forget to keep it safe, you'll need your eye protection and your face mask. So the first thing you'll need to do is measure and cut your plywood. This can be done at Bunnings. The dowel normally comes in really long lengths. I've cut that down so it fits to my board perfectly. I'm going to start gluing my dowel down with liquid nails and a caulking gun. I'm going to attach the dowel to the plywood, making sure that it's flush to the edge so it's nice and straight. We want everything to stay straight, so I'm going to nail in the first dowel so it doesn't move. You can use a hammer and nail, but I'm going to use a brad gun today. So I'm a third of the way through. I'm just going to add in some more nails so we continue to stay straight. I'm going to use a bit of wood filler with my filling blade to fill the holes. To apply your feature panel to the wall, use liquid nails and stick it up. And there you have it, your dowel feature wall is complete.